Hey guys, I'm back and I want to show you my collection mini world. And then, ooh, something now inside the Easter egg. First one, a ring. Where'd the other tools go? Again. Then second one, another ring. Do you hear that? This is not a ring. Okay, so this one is broken.
Hindi pwedeng hindi.
Another ring.
Ito ay magsisilbing kataba. Sa lahat, pampataas ng temperatura. Ganun lang, ulitin natin ang proseso. Para sa second layer, papatungan natin ulit. Yan. Tapos, lalagyan ulit natin ng
Another ring.
same procedure lang. Kabilaan, hiling. Okay mga idol, okay na. Sabunan natin ha.
Just 3 rings.
Lalagyan ko
Yay! I got many
na
rings.
parte para hindi sumingaw.
So I'm gonna end this video. Bye.